Now I am recording your class. Okay, let us move to the uh, writing board. That is our paintbrush actually we are using. So here you can see what I do. So let me show you one problem with three variables, and in that three variables actually we will have three equations, right? That will be the system of equation, and we will solve this system of equation. That is, we will find x and y and z, and to do that we will use the matrix inverse. So I'm just writing the system like 2x plus y minus uh, z equal to, let me just calculate. I'm making the problem now. Okay, just I'm calculating the thing. Say it is 6. This is one equation, and then another equation. Okay, and then another equation. It is like this. Okay, this is 5, and another equation, the last equation. Okay, the last equation is this. So this equation will have 7. So this is the system of equations given, and then we will solve this by using matrix inverse. So you start here. This is the question. So you start your answer. What you will do, you at the beginning you will make the matrix format of the system of equation. So what will be the matrix format here? In matrix format, it will be 2, 1, minus 1, and then
3 minus 2, 1.
right, 3 minus 2, 1, and then
1, 3
1,
minus 2.
3 minus 2, right. So this will be the matrix with constant numbers, and then the matrix with variable, that is
X, Y, Z.
x, y, z. It is in a column.
Yes, sir.
So, and the right side there will be another matrix which is also a column matrix, and that matrix is 6, 5,
5,
7.
7.
So you write the system of equations in matrix form. Now you will do the calculation. So in the next line you write this, and then we will continue. So in the next line you
X, Y, Z.
put this xyz on the left side, and then you will shift the matrix on the right side, and it will be the inverse. So this is on the left side, written on the left side, so you will write the inverse on the left side. So 3, 2, 1, minus 1, and then 3 minus 2, 1, and then 1, 3 minus 2. This is the full matrix, and it is inverse, and you have another matrix that is 6, 5, 7. Now you stop here and you find out the inverse of the matrix first. Okay, after doing this you stop, and then you do the inverse of the matrix. Okay. Now we are doing the inverse of the matrix. So how it can be done? So we do the determinant, right? So
Yes,
we
sir.
do the determinant. So what is the determinant value? I'm just doing it shortly. Determinant equal to, okay, let me write. This is 2 and 1 and minus 1, and then 3 minus 2 and 1, and then 1, 3 minus 2. And you find the determinant value. You choose any row or any column, one single thing. Okay, one row or one column. So let us take uh, differently. Let us take this one today. Okay. So if you take this one, then you will write 2 and within bracket you multiply the numbers. So how you will multiply the number? So this will be minus 2 into minus 2 and then 1, 3, right? Like this. So it is plus 4 minus 3.
Sir, 4 minus 3.
Right, 4 minus 3. So I'm writing 4 minus 3 as 1, directly 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then
minus 1.
3,
Yes, sir.
minus 3. No, I'm
Oh,
going
acha, acha,
down.
acha.
I'm
Oh,
going
acha.
down.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so minus 3 into what I will write?
Sir, minus 2 into 1. That means minus 2 and minus plus 3. Sir, 1 hobe answer.
Okay, so minus 2 plus 3. So it will be 1. And then you will write plus 1 into, plus 1 into
1 plus 5. 1 plus 4, 5 hobe, sir.
1 plus 4, no, 1 plus
Sorry,
2.
sorry. 1 plus 2. 3
1
hobe.
plus 2, 3. Try to do the calculation, everyone, so that you can understand what is happening. So minus 3 plus 3 is cancelled, so it is 2.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is equal to only 2. So the determinant value is 2. So keep this value, and then you find the cofactor of everything. Cofactor of everything. Okay, all the numbers. So cofactor of everything. So let me just write
Sir,
it down. Yes.
স্যার আমরা যদি ফার্স্ট রোটা না নিয়ে ফার্স্ট কলামটা না নিয়ে ফার্স্ট রোটা নিতাম তাহলে তো স্যার ডিটারমিনেন্ট 2 আসতো না।
Same answer will come.
ও ওকে স্যার।
Same answer will come every time. You take any row, any column, second row or third row, second column, third column, no matter. Final
ওকে স্যার।
answer will be same 2.
ইয়েস স্যার।
So cofactor of 2 is 1,
ইয়েস স্যার।
and then cofactor of 3 is
It
it
is
is already,
also 1.
yes, it is also 1, but it should be with minus sign, minus
Yes
1.
sir,
Okay.
minus 1.
And then cofactor of
Did
is what? Yes.
determinant last one
তোমার কথাটা ভালো বুঝে যায় নাই, you tell me again.
Cofactor of 1.
স্যার এখানে 3 হবে না, is 1 হবে, 1 এরটা 3 হবে স্যার, লাস্ট এরটা স্যার। কোফ্যাক্টর অফ 3 হবে না স্যার, কোফ্যাক্টর অফ 1 ইকুয়াল টু 3 হবে।
Okay, good. So cofactor of 1 equal to 3. Yes, it is correct. Okay. So is it okay now?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Sir, would you please check the determinant?
problem আছে স্যার লাস্ট ওয়ান
লাস্ট একটু সমস্যা হয়েছে।
Yes,
আচ্ছা,
sir.
ওকে, তাহলে আমরা একটু চেক করি। সো ফর
লাস্টটা -1 হবে 1 into -1 স্যার 1 into 1 1 মাইনাসে +2 আর 1 -2 হবে লাস্টেরটা।
right, you are right. So 1 minus 2, that means -1 finally, right?
-1. Yes sir.
Okay. Okay, good. So yes, you are right, because 2 minus and formula minus. So 3 minus
Yes,
3.
sir.
Okay. Yes, you are right. So this calculation should be corrected for the upper one also. Okay, this is also -1, right? So let me just make it correct. It is minus
-1.
Yes. So what is happening finally? -3, -1, and then 2. So finally it will be -2 answer. Is it okay? Is it okay? This part is okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So let us now continue with the next column. Next column is we are just uh, writing this quickly. Okay. So this was the first column, 2, 3, 1. Now I am writing the cofactor for the second column, that is 1, -2, and 3. So what will be the cofactor of 1? What will be the cofactor of 1? This is for the second column. This is for the second column. Okay. So what will be the cofactor of 1?
Sir, -6 -1. That means -7.
Right, -7, and
আর
for
ওইখানে স্যার
position,
মাইনাস তো মাইনাস +7
yes. So go to the cofactor of -2. So it is
স্যার
-4
-4 -1 -5
and formula -4 plus 1 actually.
Yes,
-4
sir.
plus 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So cofactor of 3. Cofactor of 3 will be
2 -3 -1
not 2 -3 na to formula একটা minus আছে বলো কে বলতেছো আসমা ছাড়া আর কেউ বলতেছো নাকি
-5 sir.
-5. Okay, good. So let me go for the last column. What are the numbers? What are the numbers for the last column? Numbers for the last column are -1, 1, 2, right? -1, 1, 2 data. So -1, 1, 2. What will be the cofactor of -1? And then cofactor of 1, and then cofactor of -2. So cofactor of -1 will be
11
11, sir.
11. Yes, correct. And then cofactor of 1. Cofactor of 1 will be
7 -7 হবে স্যার
5 -5 হবে, sir.
yes,
5
6 minus 1.
-5, sir.
Yes,
-5.
correct. And then go for the last one, cofactor of -2.
স্যার এটা 2 হবে
-4
1 হবে
-3.
-3.
কেন -4
4
-3
-3.
-7
-7.
-7. Yes,
So
sir.
what is the position? Position is
স্যার
okay.
প্লাস
Position is plus, sir.
-7 -7 থাকবে. So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
these are the cofactors of all the numbers, and I have written everything by
Sir, would you check
column.
the cofactor?
Yes, any other question, any problem?
Sir, would you check the cofactor of -1 in the third column? -1.
Which one? Cofactor of -1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us check it again. Cofactor of -1, and
It is correct.
for doing this we will multiply 2, 3.
নো স্যার 3
Oh
3
no,
sir.
no,
3
no, yes,
3
yes,
-2 1.
yes, right. 2, 3, 3.
That is correct.
Yes, 3 3 and minus 2 1.
minus 2
So
1
9 plus 2, 9 plus 2 11, and the position is plus
plus
minus plus. So
plus
position is okay, so 11 is just 11. Okay.
The minus 1 into
Sir,
Yes,
cofactor of 1 sir equals sir plus 5 হবে মনে হয় স্যার check
cofactor of 1 মানে কোন কলামটাতে ফার্স্টের তিনটা
না
নাকি
3 নাম্বারটা স্যার ওই যে লাস্টেরটা স্যার অফ 1 এরটা স্যার প্লাস 1 একটা
ও ওকে, তাহলে দেখি এটা এটা হলো দিস ইজ ফর 1,
minus 5 it is.
so it is
ওকে, সো নো প্রবলেম, আমরা আবার
minus 5
হ্যাঁ আমরা আবার চেক করে দেখি। তো 1 cofactor of 1 you are calculating, so you will multiply 2 and 3 here, 2 and 3 into 6 and then 1 1, so
6 minus 1 equal to 5.
6 minus 1 equal to 5
প্লাস
and
5
the,
হবে স্যার
Answer এখানকার position হচ্ছে minus, that's why minus 5.
yes,
For-
position is minus,
formula minus
okay, then fine, is it okay now?
Yes sir.
Okay, so now let us move to the inverse. Let us move to the inverse. So this is the calculation of cofactors. Now we will write the inverse. So what will be the inverse? Therefore, you can write therefore 2 minus, okay, just পুরোটা আমি কপি করে নিয়ে আসি তাহলে ভালো। Let me just take whole thing, this inverse, okay. Therefore this inverse is equal to, this inverse is equal to 1 by determinant value, that is 1 by minus 2, and then you write the matrix as a transpose. So this was the first column, this was the first column. এখন এটাকে আমরা লিখব first row. So actually you will write 1 minus 1 minus 1 like this, okay. The first row is first column, no, first column is first row, okay. So the second column will be second row. Not clear? Cofactor করার সময় তুমি যে কোফ্যাক্টর গুলা সিরিয়াল করে করছিলা সেখানে এই প্রথমটা ছিল ফার্স্ট কলাম, ওকে। This was the cofactor of all column numbers, is that okay? And this second column was for the second column cofactor, right? Now you write all the numbers as second row, that is called transpose. Second column will be second row, first column will be first row, and third column will be third row. So you continue the numbers as third row. Third column numbers will be written as third row, okay.
কিন্তু কেন আমরা কলামগুলোতে রোতে কেন লিখবো?
ওই ইনভার্স করার সময় আমি তোমাদেরকে বলছিলাম যে তোমাকে কি কি করতে হবে। ইনভার্স করার সময় কি ছিল নিয়মটা?
রাসেল মোল্লা, প্লিজ মিউট ইওর মাইক্রোফোন।
হ্যাঁ, তো ওইখানে তুমি খেয়াল করো, ওই ইনভার্সের নিয়মটার মধ্যে বলা ছিল যে তোমাকে অ্যাডজয়েন্ট ম্যাট্রিক্স লিখতে হবে, রাইট? এটার নাম হচ্ছে অ্যাডজয়েন্ট ম্যাট্রিক্স। সো adjoint matrix, the definition key, what is the definition of adjoint matrix? So I told you for the adjoint matrix it is actually transpose of the cofactor matrix. So cofactor matrix হবে যখন তুমি যেটা যে সিরিয়ালে আছে সেইভাবে লিখে দিবা, ওইটার নাম হচ্ছে cofactor matrix, but in inverse we will use the transpose of cofactor matrix. So transpose means the column will be row and row will be column. So this is directly I am writing that adjoint matrix, that means the transpose of cofactor matrix, and at the beginning 1 divided by determinant value. So this is my inverse matrix. Is that okay? Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now now the inverse value is found. So we put this inverse value. Okay, we put this inverse value here, and then we do the calculation for finding XYZ. Okay, so let me just do it now. Is it okay? আমি এখন করতে পারি এটা?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
let me just এটা তো মুছতে হবে আসলে. So can I erase the left part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me erase the left side part. Okay, so এটা মুছে দিলাম, এটা থাকুক। So this part I am erasing, and then I am copying this part. Okay, so I'm taking this part because I will use this now, and this will be the calculation. Okay, you can write in your script so that you can understand what I am doing. এখন try to understand. Is that okay? So this is our inverse matrix, and then there is another part on the right side, that is 6, 5, 7. Now we will do the matrix multiplication. So I will go to the next line and I will do the multiplication. You can keep this 1 by -2 as it is and do the matrix multiplication. So what will be the multiplication style? You will go from the left side to right side and then come down, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
it is 1 into 6, -1 into 5, and -1 into 7. So
-6.
-6, right? So altogether it will be -6. So I'm writing the final answer. I'm not showing the calculation because you already know. So this is -6, and then next to the right side or downside? Down. Okay, because there is no more column in the right side, so it is down. So you go down and then you do the same calculation. 7 into 6, -3 into 5, and -5 into 7. So 7 into 6
-8, sir.
minus কত? -8.
Yes, sir. -8.
একটু ভালোভাবে আবার চেক করে দেখো। ভুলে হতে পারে, মানে আমি শিওর না, হতে পারে। So 42 and 15, -15 and -35. So yes, -8. Okay, so এটা তুমি লিখলা -8. Second number is -8. Okay, and then come down again. 11 into 6, -5 into 5, and then -7 into 7. So
Sir,
66.
it is also -8.
That one is also -8. Okay, so -8. And then in the next line, -half. তুমি এগুলো সব এখন করে দাও।
Sir, 344 answer.
So 344 এগুলো সব minus, so you are getting all plus, so 344. So this will be the solution for XYZ. This will be the solution for XYZ. Okay. I'm not sure 3 4 4 কারেক্ট আছে কিনা, কারণ আমি মনে মনে যেটা ভাবছিলাম ওটা 3 4 4 তো নেই নাই। ওকে, 6 4 4 6, okay, and 9 8, okay, correct, 3 12 8, correct, okay, no, ঠিক আছে, it is correct. You can check with the, you can check with the xyz value here, okay, এগুলো এখানে বসায় তুমি চেক করে দেখতে পারো। So what will be the solution? Solution is x y z are the numbers you are getting 3 4 4.
4 4.
So if you put this value in your equation, then it will match. So that is the answer. So this is how you use the matrix inverse